Hello students, hello everyone, welcome back to my maths video. Okay, so we are doing the chapter cubes and cube roots, and we have successfully done the exercise 7.1 in the previous video. Now I am going to start the cube roots. Okay, what is the meaning of cube roots? So you have learned what is cube. Cube means multiplication of same number 3 times, that is called cube. Okay, now here cube roots, that means from where the number having the root. Okay, from where, that means what is the root of that number, what is the cube root, that means from where this cube is coming, from which number that cube is coming. Okay, which number you will multiply that cube is coming, that is cube root. So here some examples are given. So here you can see 2 to the power 3, you know that 2 cube is what, 8. So 8 is the perfect cube. So how 8 is coming, from which number 8 is coming? 8 is coming from the number 2. So 2 is the cube root of 8. So we say that the cube root of 8 is 2. Okay, so from which number the perfect cube is coming, that is the cube root. So this is the notation of the cube root. This is the square root symbol, and in the top here in the side you have to write 3. 3 means cube. So this is the symbol of cube root. Okay, so cube root of 8 equal to 2. Understood? So like square root you have learned, here same cube root also same thing. So cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 cube is 8. Cube root of 27 is 3, because when you multiply 3, when you do the cube of 3, it is 27. Cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 125 is 5. So 125 is coming from the cube of 5. Okay, here you can see. Cube root of 216 is 6, because from 6 cube it is coming 216. Cube root of 343 is 7. Cube root of 512 is 8. Cube root of 729 is 9. Cube root of 1000 is 10. Okay, so this cube roots you have to learn by heart from 1 to 10. Okay, now the next topic is how to find the cube root of a number. So you can learn this cube roots, but if big numbers you have to find out cube root of any big number, then how can you find out, what is the process to find out the cube root of any number? So cube root through prime factorization method. So you have seen in square root chapter how to find the square root. There was a method called prime factorization. So here also you will use the prime factorization method to find the cube root of any number. Okay, so cube root of 3375, how can you find the cube root of this number? Okay, because this is a big number, you may or may not remember the cube root of this number. So what is the process to find out the cube root of any number? So let's see. Now all of you see here, cube root of 3375, we will use prime factorization method. So this is the prime factorization method, all of you know. So you have to factorize the numbers one by one, starting from the smaller digits. Okay, so I have factorized it with 3 and 3 and 3 again, 5 5 5. So now what is the next step? You know, in prime factorization you have to write all the numbers on the prime numbers, all the prime factors in this way, in multiplication form you have to write down. Then what you have to do, so recall the method in square root. So in square root you have to make the pairing of two numbers. Okay, because it was square, but here you have to make the group of three numbers because it is a cube. So this is the difference between square root and cube root. Okay, so you have to make the grouping of three numbers. Okay, so see here how can you make the grouping? So here 3 are in group of 3 and 5 is in group of 3. Okay, so you will write for this 3 1 time 3 and this for 5 1 time 5. Okay, so cube root of 3375 will be what? 3 5 ja 15. So this is the answer. Okay, so cube root of 3375 is 15. In this way you have to find the cube root. This is the prime factorization method. Okay, always remember you have to make the grouping of 3. Understood? Now we will go to the exercise 7.2. Here it is a very small exercise, only the question number 1 is the important one. You have to find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Okay, so see question number 1. Question number 1 is 64. So all of you know that means cube root of 64 is 4. If you have learned it properly, then you can know that directly you can say that cube root of 64 is 4, but we have to show by prime factorization method. Okay, if in exam question comes, then no matter if you know the answer, then also you have to show the prime factorization method. Okay, let us see. All of you can see here I have solved here the 64. So you have to prime factorize the 64, then you have to write all the prime factors in this way, and you have to make the grouping of 3. Okay, this 3 2's and again 3 2. So for this 3 2, 1 time 2 you have to write, and again for this 2 you have to write 1 time. So 2 2's are 4. So cube root of 64 is 4. Now understood? You have to show like that. Now let us take this 3 number 10648. Okay, 10,648. Here you can see 10648. So 10648, I have factorized this number in this way. Now you are getting this 3 times 2 and 3 times 11. So this 3 group and this 3 group. So for this 2, 1 time 2, and for this 11, 1 time 11. So cube root of 10648 is 22. 2 into 11 is 22. Understood? Very easy. Okay, one more I am showing. Suppose this 9 number. All of you see here this cube root of 175616. It is a very long factorization. Okay, so 9 times this 2 and 3 times 7. So you have to write like this again. So these 2's are in group of 3, 1 time, second time and third time. So 2 2 2, and for this 7 1 7. So when you multiply this, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 7 to 56. So cube root of 175616 is 56. So very easy. So I hope all of you have understood how to find the cube root of any number by prime factorization method, right? So in this way this exercise is complete. So rest of the question do by yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching.